So check out what I got for my girl cave. College must-haves part 3. This is a clear whiteboard adhesive from the brand Casa that turns any flat surface into a whiteboard. It's super easy to apply to any wall, and it's nice and flush with the wall so it doesn't stick out. I love that you can hardly see it on your wall or desk, and it's perfect for writing a little to-do list, shopping list, or just taking notes. It can also be used on a desk. You just cut out the size that you need, and it's perfect for writing notes, making a calendar, or if you just need a quick place to write notes like when you're on the phone. Next is the Rocket Book, which is so cool. It's a reusable notebook. It has places to keep a calendar or just write regular notes, and you write in it like you would in a normal notebook, and then it comes with this cloth that you get wet, and it can erase all of your notes so that you can reuse the notebook over and over. Then using the app, you can scan and upload your notes or page to your computer so you can keep everything in different categories and digitize all of your notes. And you can decide which platform you want to upload it to. And lastly is this mesh laundry basket that has a side pocket for your laundry detergent, dryer sheets, and it has multiple carrying handles.
Here are 3 Amazon kitchen products that I love. First, this apple corer. My daughter is 3 and she insists that we do not slice the apples. She feels like a big girl when she has the whole thing, so this works so well at getting out the core. I don't know about you, but when I'm cooking, I'm using multiple utensils and I never know what to do with them without getting my counter dirty. So when I found this spoon rest, I thought it was so smart because it holds quite a few. Lastly, this wine glass holder hangs under your cabinet. You screw it in, it holds 6 glasses, and it looks nice on display.
Parents, you need this, just watch. Max Care makes the perfect baby food maker. I really wish I had invested money into this earlier. It not only steams any food that you want, but it also blends it into a puree for your baby. Honestly, this thing was so easy to use. It came with a collapsible bottle brush and a baby food container that doubles as a formula dispenser. I'll add it to my Amazon list for you guys. Highly recommend it.
Amazon must-haves part 49. No desk, no problem. This is my go-to workstation when I'm tired of sitting at my desk. The built-in cushions are comfortable and keep me cool while I'm working. It has enough space for my laptop, phone, and mouse. I also use this for reading, writing, and drawing. This portable desk has made working from home that much easier.
College must-haves part 2. First is a pair of blue light blocking glasses. I have a ton of pairs from Live off of Amazon. They are my favorite. These come in a lot of cute colors and styles, and especially for college students who are on their computers all day studying and on their phone a lot, these really help to protect your eyes from the blue light and help to prevent headaches and straining your eyes. If you're a heavy sleeper or just have a lot of late nights, you might need this alarm clock. It has this buzzer that goes under your pillow to help wake you up in the morning. It has a changeable light on top that acts as a night light, and then on the back is all the buttons with 2 USB ports. Next is this outlet tower that is really helpful if you have a lot of devices that need to be plugged in at the same time. It has 8 different outlets and then 4 USB ports. Also a shower caddy to transfer all of your stuff if you are sharing a bathroom or live in the dorms and can't necessarily store your stuff in the shower. And lastly is this portable blender that I'm obsessed with. It's perfect for college students, it's rechargeable, comes with this little ice tray, and it's great for if you're running late for class or going to the gym. You can throw it in your bag and make a smoothie or shake on the go. So this is a mask magazine. There's a hair mask, a pore bubble mask, another face mask, eye patches, a nose strip, a rose hydrogel lip patch, soft hand mask, a foot mask. This is so cute.
College dorm must-haves from Amazon. First up is this bath caddy. Whether you're using a communal bathroom or sharing one with roommates, you'll want a place for all of your toiletries. Next up is this laundry bag that you can actually wear as a backpack, making it really easy to carry to the laundry room. Next up is this shelf you can attach to your bed. Dorm rooms usually have limited space, so it's a great way to store your essentials. This tabletop fan is perfect for your desk or your nightstand. And last up are these cable organizers you can stick right to your desk to organize your wires.
Don't put yourself at risk of getting hacked just by charging your phone. This little device is a data blocker. Compared to a regular charging cable, you can see that the data pins are removed. Those pins are how your data can get accessed. This can happen if you borrow someone's charging block, when you're in a rental car, or when you're using USB ports in hotel rooms. These are all items that can be easily manipulated and modified, putting your data at risk.
My 4 kids go back to school next week, and I saw these dissolvable hand soaps that I thought would be perfect for their backpack rather than sending them with liquid hand sanitizer. I went onto Amazon and bought a 4-pack so each one could have their own pack. There's about 100 little soap papers inside of there. So I went ahead and tried it out. I put one of the dissolvable papers on my hand and then washed my hand for a good 20 seconds. I was so surprised how soft my hands were. It smelled really good and there wasn't any sticky residue left behind. So I think it's perfect for the backpack.
Our favorite Amazon finds, part 60. Does this frustrate anyone else? If so, we have the perfect solution. These ice trays make the perfect size ice cubes to fit in any water bottle. The silicone material makes it super easy to pop the ice out, and they come in a set of 3 for under $10.
Literally the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is a makeup pen. It has a highlighter, an eyeliner, and a lip liner. So here's one of the eyeliners, the highlighter, and the lip liner. Who wants swatches?
My new favorite Amazon find are these glass straws. They work so much better than the metal ones because they don't feel weird on your teeth. They're really pretty, and if you're into saving the turtles, these are a great alternative to plastic.
Car must-haves from Amazon, part 6. First up is a safety tool that attaches to your visor. In case of an emergency, you can use one side to break a window and the other to cut your seatbelt. Next up is this mini trash can that fits right into your cup holder. Great for small trash like tissues and receipts. This trifold mirror attaches to your visor, and it's great if you're someone who has to get ready in the car a lot. This cute little pink humidifier is great if you're on the go and it fits right into your cup holder. And last up are these Febreze air fresheners. They smell so good and they clip right to your vent.
Amazon products you need or don't in your life, part 70 of 100. This is a portable washing machine that is ideal for apartment dwellers with a shared laundromat, students living in a dorm room, or like in our case, for RV or camping trips. It comes with a timer that allows you to wash your clothes for up to 15 minutes, and these clamps in the back that will hold the washer in place. All you need is a bucket with water and detergent, pop in your dirty clothes, and turn it on. Now, is this something you need or don't need?
So my handbag is full of stuff. I will dig around forever to find my lip gloss, lipstick, so this makes it really easy to find that, but you can keep other stuff in here too.
Amazon must-haves, home edition. If you're sick and tired of seeing crumbs on your desk or in your car, then I've got the perfect gadget for you. This portable vacuum gets the job done. It's rechargeable, super lightweight, and has an attachment to get into those hard-to-reach areas. Great for picking up any mess.
So testing out the viral pop socket lip balm. This thing has been posted on TikTok since February by tons of different people, bunch of different kinds. I decided to try this one out. It's cherry. Looks like a good old regular pop socket. Is stuck to my rubber case and it has a little divot on it, you guys, where you open the lip balm. Make sure it's facing down, otherwise it'll be awkward. I opened this up and there was no lip balm. So I was like, what the heck? Well, it's back in the back of the box. So when you open it up, don't just throw the box away. So you take that off and then you stick it in the pop socket and then you're good to go. So it works just like a regular pop socket. The lip balm smells really good. It seems to stick to the case, so I think it's good.
Amazon kitchen gadgets you need. First up is a soap dispenser. Fill the container with any dish soap, and then when you press down with your sponge, it dispenses soap right onto it. Next is a spoon rest for multiple utensils. That way when you're cooking, you can rest your utensils on it and it will spill on the mat and not your counter. Next up is a stool to help you scrape every inch of batter off your whisk. You'll waste less batter and it'll be easier to clean. And last up is this heavy duty ice cream scoop. It makes it really easy to scoop, it doesn't bend, and you get the perfect scoop every time.
Things I bought after seeing them on TikTok. This is called the gyro bowl. It's designed to keep your kids' snacks upright no matter which way they twist or roll or turn. It has easy grip handles on the side and comes with a travel lid. You can find this on Amazon for just $11, and it comes in different color options.
Amazon Must-Haves Home Edition. This soap dispenser is unlike anything else you've seen. It's rechargeable and you don't need any batteries. It's really simple to use, just add water and soap, and it automatically turns it into foam, making it a perfect touchless soap dispenser. If you're paranoid like me and want to protect your information, then you gotta check out this roller. It's a huge time saver and a great alternative to a shredder. I use it on voided checks, junk mail, online packages, as well as medicine bottles. One of my favorite must-haves to protect your info.